Activity 4. Take a big tray, fill it with the sand or wet soil. Okay. So we take the tray, we fill it with the sand and wet soil. Wet means like water, sand. So we wet with the sand or wet soil. Soil, not soil means mud, na? Yes. So drop a cricket ball and plastic ball simultaneously. Simultaneous means at the same time and in the same way is called as a simultaneously. Simultaneously from a same height. With the same height, with the same speed, you throw the ball, cricket ball and plastic ball. So in the tray, what happens? Is the effect of both the balls similar on the sand? So do we have the effect is same when we throw the ball on the sand on the wet soil? If the cricket ball is dropped on the tray from different heights, what will be its effect? When will the ball sink more into the soil? Okay, so with the more height, with the more force when we throw the ball, sinking means going. I sink in the water, that means going inside of the water, like that. So into the soil, into the wet soil, soil is wet, na? So water is there in the soil. If we throw with the more height, with the more strength, the ball will be sinking in the water. Okay, so with the less height, with the less strength, if we are throwing the ball, it will not sink in the wet soil. Okay, so these are the examples. This activity shows that the impact of an object depends upon its mass. So this activity will help us to know the effect is depends upon what? Mass. Mass means weight. Okay, weight is also important here. So the impact of the cricket ball having a greater mass is more. Okay, so cricket ball mass means weight is more. We also see that the ball when dropped from a greater height falls on the sand with a higher speed and sinks into the sand more. Mainly the impact depends upon the velocity of the object and its mass. Okay, so here in this laws we also see these laws are related to the force and motion, and in this motion, in the movement, there is, when we apply the unbalanced force, there is a change in velocity. Velocity means what? Speed and direction. And it is the which quantity? Vector quantity. Vector quantity means what? Magnitude and the speed. Direction. Magnitude means what? The weight, na? Kilograms or times. Everything is called as a numbers, na? Magnitude. So magnitude, weight. So in the motion, mass is also important. With the more weight, the vehicle go with the more speed. We take the bicycle and the car. Car is more weight or bicycle is more weight? Car is more weight. So car can go with the more speed, and but cycle can go only with the less speed. So motion depends upon the weight also. Mass. Okay, of the object and its mass. So if any of these two quantities increase in similar condition, then the impact also increases. So if the mass is increases, some motion also will be increased. Okay, so here we see now. So the product of the mass of an object and its velocity is called momentum. So what is the momentum? The product, the mass of the object and velocity is called as a mass means what? Weight. Velocity means speed and direction. In the particular direction, if any object is going with the same speed in a particular direction is called as a velocity. So momentum means velocity and mass both are called as a momentum. So here the momentum is represented by which letter? Capital P. Okay, so momentum is represented by capital P of an object is defined by the product of its mass in, and velocity is v. So mass is represented by small v, velocity is represented by small v, mass is small m. So momentum is equal to as capital P is equal to small v, small m and small v. So momentum means what? The mass and velocity is called as a momentum. Okay. So this is the definition. Underline this. Okay. So now we see the SI unit of the momentum. Momentum is a vector quantity. So in the fourth lesson we learned vector quantity means what? Magnitude plus direction. Magnitude means what? The numbers. Okay. So the numbers means like time, like 2 o'clock, 2 is the number. Kilograms, 2 kilograms, 2 is the number. So that is the vector quantity which has both magnitude and direction. So underline, the direction of the momentum will be similar to the direction of a velocity. So momentum, everything is related. If you understand the fourth lesson properly, only you can understand this lesson. So momentum means what? Mass and velocity is called as a momentum. So the SI unit of the momentum is what? Kilogram. Kilogram is for what? For the mass. Okay. Kilogram is for mass. Kilogram. Okay. For mass. So meter per second means what? Velocity. Velocity SI unit is what? Meter per second. So the momentum SI unit was, SI unit means, SI means system, I means international. In the whole world units are same. Liter means LT only. Kilograms means kg. That is the units. So momentum SI unit is what? Kilogram point into meter per second. This is the SI unit for the momentum. Kilogram is for weight, mass. Meter per second is the velocity. So velocity means what? Same speed in a particular direction. Meter distance, second is the time.